In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a shirt on Roblox Marketplace. That is to sell a shirt in order to gain Roblox. So to do that, open your Roblox application and then at the bottom menu at the right, click on More. Click on Create in order to open the Creator Hub. And when you're there, click on the menu icon at the top left and then click on Creations. Click on Avatar Items. So you might already have an item uploaded which you want to sell. So you just need to find it by clicking on the category and finding your item which you want to sell, like mine over here. Or if you don't have an item yet, then just go ahead and upload an item. Let's say we want to upload a classic shirt. You just need to select on classic, filter classic shirt, and then you click on upload asset. Give a name and description to your shirt and you upload it. Now it is time to sell or to post on Marketplace. You just need to click on the item right here and then you can configure the item name. You can also configure the item description, and here you have the item image. You are going to toggle on sale in order to sell this item. So you need to set a price for this item. Let's say 50 Robux. So you want to sell this t-shirt for 50 Robux and know that you're going to earn 70% of this price you just set here. So click on done and there everything looks good. You need 10 Robux in order to publish this item so that it can be available for sale or to publish on Marketplace. So make sure you have 10 Robux and then you can click on publish item. So here they're just notifying you again that publishing this item for sale is going to cost you 10 Robux. Just click on pay and publish and your item is going to be available for sale on Marketplace.